COVID has slowed down and then ramped itself back up. Found a product that I wanted to share, so it inspired me to make this video today. We can actually have fun and do our nails. We can feel like we went to the salon and got our nails did. Share this new product with you. It might not be new to everybody. I'm also going to give you an overview of how to put them on. Although my channel is generally about reselling clothing and shoes and vintage everything. A stylist with Color Street, mostly because there's 3 girls in my house, and it worked out really well for me to just sign up and get a starter pack instead of just buying them myself. I'm going to be putting content on that is Color Street related. Free to hit any of the links below so that you can get more information, ordering, questions. If you have any questions about Color Street and how to use it, please make a suggestion in these comments so I can make a video to help you out. That's the plan. Let's get started. Okay, so this is a lot of what comes in a Color Street Stylist starter pack. These are all the colors that are in our fall winter line. They get released daily. We will get daily restocks. There will be pop-ups to keep you intrigued every day of retired styles or new styles that are coming out. All right, so back again, and we're going to put this one here. Take off the back. I'm going to put the widest part. Okay, so with a camera in front of my face, I hope I lined it up properly. My face, I'm pretty sure I lined it up properly. Okay, so I did. So as you can see, this is still not wide enough for my big nails. And this is just because I'm not using a set that has all the differences in the sizes. So you can obviously get sizes that fit you. I just only had the sample set that I'm working with right now. And I'll show you after I'm done with this very important part that I think we have to do of really working your nail on so that it's nice and stuck. It's almost like the more heat your fingers put on there, the better it will cure to your nail. So I'm done. There's still this plastic on top. I'm going to attempt to rip it with the plastic on just because that's better for me to use it next, but you don't have to do that. I believe that it's recommended to pull it off. In my opinion, I try to pull it by keeping it on. And you literally just like rip it off of your nail like that. It's that simple. Now, this is the leftover of that one strip. You don't have to reuse these. I am just trying to show you that you can. This one will fit this nail. And again, I'm trying to do this with a camera between us, so you have to excuse how I can't see my own finger through doing this right. Either you're going to be blurry or I'm not going to be able to see this. So, all right. At this point, I'm taking off this plastic because I am reusing this one right now, as you can see, right? I'm going to smooth this on with my fingers the best I can because I feel like that is the best way to make sure that it's even and flat. You can see that. No bubbles. And this is when you heat it up just a bit and just move it around, it makes it where it's easier to make sure it doesn't come off. Then you rip off the excess and basically you're done with the hard part. Ta-da! Them down so that they can stick to the ends of my nails, and I'm done. They have a clear coat available, so if you wanted to put a clear coat on top so that it would last any bit longer, they tell you can definitely do that. But that's it. I mean, I'm done. I nail filed myself. It's literally like having nail polish on. Get in your set is this one. I use these two. These come with my set. So I just used 2 sample strips to make 2 nail covers. This is just the sample. So it's a gorgeous color, right? Those are my holidays that are coming off. It's pretty sad. I need to redo them. So that is that sample strip. As you do these, they get so much easier. Okay, so I peeled off the paper back. I lined it up where I want it to be. I am smoothing. Okay. This color is so rich. I love it. I don't mean rich like money, Cassetta.
I know.
I mean rich like in the color. See, as you go, it just gets so much easier. Like the way that I ripped that one, you can kind of just tuck it under. Can you see? Okay. You can just tuck it under and you're good. You don't even have to file this one. Unless you want to. Again, I took the clear coat off already. You can pull it off and like line it as much as you need to make sure you get it in the right spot. See that? Now I'm happy with the spot I got it in. This is pretty much the exact right size for my pinky. So again, I'm just going to do what I said. This reminds me of like brownies. Brownies with sprinkles in them. I wish you could see. Oh, there we go. It's totally focused. Okay. So I have completely molded this to my finger the way that I like it. Again, I don't think that anybody has to do this much molding to their finger, but I do. And then you just break the ends off to your nail. I left that little piece, but you can just tuck it under. And it doesn't affect the polish coming off because when you tuck it under, it does cure to the underside just as easily as it does to the top. So that one is also done. So this is 4 nails I was able to do with just only the sample. I did 4 nails with my sample. In one set, which costs between, it depends on if you buy the 3, buy 3, get 1 free, you're spending less than $10 a set. You can do, you get 16 strips, so you can do multiple sets. You could do yourself and your child. You could do many things. You could do your hands and your feet. So that is 4 nails done with a sample set, and that's how easy it is. And they last a really long time. So in the description below, you will see my link, and you can ask any questions in the comments. Like, subscribe.
To what?
To this YouTube channel, which is now going to have Color Street content.
Oh. And also follow her on Facebook.
Yes, my Facebook will be linked in here. My Poshmark store, where I also will be selling individual sets if you just want to buy one set and not have to be, worried about making a commitment to 3. Actually, the deal would be better if you bought it off of Color Street, but I have sets on my Poshmark closet that you can't always get. Just to get a little more information, ask questions. The link will be below as well for my. So this is Color Street. These are many of our seasonal styles for right now, which I absolutely love. We have glitters, we have graphics, we have plain solid colors, we have matte colors, we have clear.
We also have kids color.
We have, yeah, we do. We have, they call it petites, but they are, that's a kid's set, but a petite set, but it's really just small. These are accents where it says glitter dipped. Those are accents, or you could wear them by themselves. We also have a French manicure, and those are buy one, get one free. The clear nail art designs are up there. And these are petites. And if you just wanted, if you have really wide toe nail beds, then you definitely want to get the pedicures, but you don't have to.
We also have polka dots and stripes.
and you open up your little envelope, there will be a Color Street nail prep pad in it. And you get one of these. Now, I think I've tried to put these on without really freshly cleaning my nails with the prep pads. And it actually, nails that you've had or any lotion you put on or anything like that. It's just an alcohol type wipe. It's not very strong smelling at all. And actually, or whatever. So I'm probably going to end up doing this. And then I'll take the excess off. Although that would fit my thumb too. One thing you need to know is if your nails are not super duper long, you can use the other side of your strip to do a whole nother nail. So let's do that first. There's a backing that is paper. And then on the top, there is a clear strip. And see that clear strip? And it's really important to know that if you take that clear strip off and you let these sit out in cold temperatures, or if you don't warm them and really put them on your fingers right without having this safely covered, these will not cure to your nails. So, because they are actual gel nail polish. So I take off the back strip first. You can choose to do this however it works for you, but I choose to take off the paper back first, like that. Then you want to make sure that you get it up to your nail cuticle bed, okay? Like so. This one's a little heads, so I can actually choose on this portion to either go with a larger strip, or I can actually just fine. Now this is the plastic that I was mentioning. Take that off. I like to really just use my hands to smooth this, because if you don't smooth it, it does look, with the glitters, it's got a lot of forgiveness, but if you don't use your fingers, it's almost like a heat of wax to warm this up and make it smooth, then you are actually going to have like a funky camera in front of me. So, all right. I'm satisfied with how I have that. And this is where you pretty much finish up. Okay. Remember, so it's going to be a little thicker, and you want to just make sure you don't need any tools, but they give you a file if you'd like. You literally are going to just pinch along your nail in order to get this off, just like that. Now, for me, there's some excess, so I am going to really push that excess down. It's like almost like working with a vinyl. If you've ever worked with a vinyl, like lettering and stuff. So, okay, there's my nail. It's on. They come with the styling kit, but you do get one of these or these in a set. I'm going to use the buffer just for time. I buff down. File actually says, or the same direction. Okay. All right. So, just like anything else, I see a little bit of excess, and I'm just gonna literally do that to the excess. And you can like see how these aren't like stickers. You can really, really push this around, and you're not going to mess it up. Okay? For me, I noticed 2 weeks, but other people say 7 to 3 weeks sometimes. So I'm going to do another one that doesn't have any polish on it at all. Where did it go? Okay. This is a holiday set, so you can still get them. Or sometimes can still get them. Now this, try my pinky. It's basically like almost in your hands, just warm them up, because they don't stick as well when it's chilly outside. People say put them in your pocket or something like that. Put them underneath your hiney while you're sitting. I'm just warming them up like this real quick. All right, let's do a fresh one. Okay, ready. Yes. All right. So peel off the back. I mean, it's pretty easy.